Hello. Viewers, welcome back to SVV. Let's recap. Let's go over our contestants. Or at least our current ones. We got circle.
Hey.
Triangle.
So.
Rectangle.
The one and only.
Oval.
Hello there.
Octagon.
Hello.
This is taking too long. Guys, let's speeding things up and go in groups.
Hey. Hey guys.
Okay, that's all. Now for the elimination. Team 1, one of you is going out the door.
What door?
That door, silly.
Hey, what was that there?
Always has been triangle. Always has been. Today we have sound blocks. Triangle is safe first with 3 votes.
Thank you guys.
Somehow rectangle is safe with 5 votes.
What do you mean, somehow? Do my 7 albums mean anything to you?
Circle, oval. You tied.
What?
Vale, I guess we gotta do a tiebreaker then. Dodge. Now, quick. Hold up, is that 2 ovals? I guess circle is eliminated for not being present.
Wait, what?
Okay, so. Your challenge is to stay dry.
This sucks.
Wait, who are you? Bye.
Oh no, wait, I have an idea. Get out of me, guys. I'm water, so technically if I get wet, technically I'm not getting more wet because I'm water.
Yeah.
Let's go. Octagon, are you sure this is a good idea?
I stressed it.
Oh, this is great.
30 minutes later.
You were so slow.
Wait, why me? You're quite literally behind me. Liar!
As if you're as slow as a turtle trying to make it to the hype of my new sales.
That's just dry.
Whoa, haha, circle. You look like you haven't touched a single one of my products in a whole week.
Circle was eliminated. He's not with us anymore.
Triangle, your clothes are like my sales on Fridays, 90% off.
Challenge over. Okay. Let's see how you did. Team 2, you are 30% wet. Okay then. Team 3, you are 98% wet. Oh wait. Haha, sorry, water isn't wet. You're 0%. Automatically safe.
Yeah, that was really
Team
cool.
1, you are standing in the rain. You are obviously dry. Vale, alright then. Team 2 is up. Guys, the rain is still going.